So Janice, tell me something about you and tell me that why you have chosen only civil engineering. Why not other branches?
Firstly, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Janishan. I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan. I have completed my schooling from the Scholars Arena Senior Secondary School. Currently, I am pursuing BTech, Bachelor of Technology, in the stream of Civil Engineering from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies with an aggregate of 78%. I secured 9.6 CGPA in 10th class and 72% in 12th class. My strength are that I can easily interact with people, and my hobbies include that I like to play cricket and I like to read things that are happening around the world, and I also like to listen to music. That's it from my sir. And coming about why did I choose civil engineering, after I passed 10th class, my cousin brother, whenever I met him and interacted with him, he always, because he was in the field of architecture and my one brother was in the field of civil engineering, so he always told me that this he is doing this work, this stuff is doing. So after till 12th, whenever we met, he always told me that this is the field you can go after your 12th. So somewhere I developed the interest in that field, and I thought I can do this future in I can made my future in civil engineering.
So why you have not chosen architectural engineering? If you have the interest towards architecture,
No sir, I
why civil instead of architecture?
the brother I told the brother which was doing architectural, he also told he also suggested me to do architecture, but I thought somewhere civil engineering is of my type, so I choose civil engineering. And I also, there are more opportunities for government exams in civil engineering. So
Okay. If somebody, any student, want to
yes.
become a successful civil engineer, so in your point of view, what are the three USP, unique selling point, or the qualities any student must have?
To become a civil engineer, sir, can you repeat the question please?
For example, any student want to be a successful civil engineer. So,
Hmm.
what kind of qualities he must have to become the successful civil engineer? Three qualities.
he should uh, he should have the ability to manage the things. He should be a good leader. He should be a good leader. He should be somewhat creative, and he should be somewhat creative, and he should also have the capability to, if there is any teamwork, he should also have the capability to take his team along with him. So a good civil engineer should have all these capabilities.
Okay. In civil engineering, we normally see that the project time which has been allotted to the contractors or the civil A plus or any kind of contractors, but they couldn't meet up the deadline and they couldn't complete the task as per the given time. In that case, what a person has to do to meet the deadlines?
So like we see many contractors, they some contractors do their work in time and some not, because their labor, due to their labor problems, and they should be strict and they should teach their labor that you have to do this the time the work in given period. Otherwise it will not put a good image of mine in front of the man who has given me project. He should always, he should uh, in some days he should take us meetings of labor and told them that we have to complete this work in this deadline. So we should look good, and if if we have completed this project in this time, so if any other person sees that this is the contractor that can do my work in the time I can given, so there will be a good image of us.
Okay. And if a civil engineer want to become a software developer, then how he can become,
Software developer.
right? Because many all top MNCs, IT MNCs are also recruiting the civil engineers. So what kind of knowledge that the civil engineer has to gain to become a software developer also?
So he should have the designing of the he should have the knowledge of the proper softwares. He should get good at good, he should be good at its skills
Do you
related.
feel do you feel that any civil engineer can also become a good software developer?
Sir, he can, if he has the capability. if he has somewhat interest along with civil engineering, he can. Nothing is impossible. He can become.
Okay, Janice, nice talking to you. Rathod sir,
Thank you,
over
sir.
to you.
Yes, sir. But
What does your name mean?
sir, my name means it's about the Rajas of Jains. It's like Janoka Raja. Janish means the Janoka Raja.
Okay. So, how do you prove your name?
Yes, sir.
How do you prove your name?
Sir, I can that I am a hard worker and I people can trust on me. I will if they trust on me, I will deliver them the results they expect from me, and I will always listen to their work, and I will always coordinate with them, and I will always if there is any problem, if we are doing in any work, and I will always will with them, and we will together solve the
Okay.
problems.
Okay, Janish, you told that there are a lot of, when you chose civil engineering, you also had in mind that there are a lot of opportunities in government jobs available in this field.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the opportunities available to you?
Sir, it's a junior engineering exam, SSC JE, GATE exam, and there are many more SSC JE, Indian Engineering Services. These are the exams.
Okay. And what are the opportunities available to you other than government jobs?
Other than government jobs, if private companies also take us, sir, if we have the skills. If but sir, my aim is to go through the government job only. So
Okay.
I will try my best for the government exams. So my motive is to fight for government exams.
Okay, Janish, 3 points.
Yes, sir.
3 points why you prefer a government job and not a private job.
Sir, the job is secured, and see, like the current situation is going. We have seen lot of private companies have taken out their employees from their job, and if you government job, we see there is the opposite side of it. So there is secure job, and if someone knows that we are doing a government job, there is a feeling of respect. It is not like that if we are working in private, we have no respect. But in a government job, it's like people say na, to government job mein hai, like that one, sir.
Okay. Janish, name 3 top construction companies of India.
Of
India.
India, sir, L&T and Tata Group, Jaiprakash Associates, Hindustan Construction Company,
Any
Fal-
project of L&T which is going on our city, Udaipur.
yes, sir, it's going in Udaipur also, sir. The sewage works and all.
Okay. So that is basically the smart city project, part of the smart city project.
Yes, sir.
Is it basically the part of the smart city?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Janish, as a civil engineer, what are the 3 major advantages of the smart city project?
Smart says, sir, the it will the we have seen there is lot of traffic nowadays in our city, so it will reduce somewhere the traffic load of our city, and the sewage system will be good in the rainy season. We see that if there is some 1 or 2 hours heavy rainfall, the roads get flooded, and there will be, if and any tourist comes, so it's they will see they will see the Udaipur from perspective like that it's a smart city. The it will give a good image, so the works will be done in the coming years. The Udaipur will be like more it will attract more tourists,
Okay.
like.
Uh, which is the sewage plant available in Udaipur and where is it located? Sewage treatment plant, I would say.
Sir, it's one is in Madhuri area, on the banks of I think it's on the banks of Ayad River, and one more is in Balicha, I think.
How does the sewage treatment plant work? What do
How it
yeah?
works? The industrial wastewater which the hotels and other produces, though, so it goes into the sewage treatment plant, and then it passes through many filters, and it gets purified, and then it comes to homes and many other if industrial use and other things.
What is the use of this water? How is it used?
So, of sewage water,
Treated water.
treated water, sir, it comes to our home for it's various uses. It's for drink. The treated water, if fully purified, comes to our home also. It can be used for irrigation purposes also. Irrigation purposes also, and in many industries also, industrial and factories also.
Okay, Janice, nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
I'll request Shailja ma'am to continue.
Janice, what is the meaning of safe bearing capacity of soil?
Safe bearing capacity of the soil. The capacity of the soil to withstand the effective stress and the applied load.
And only bearing capacity of soil?
Only bearing capacity of soil.
दो अलग अलग टर्म पूछे मैंने आपसे. पहला पूछा है सेफ बेरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ सॉइल और दूसरा पूछा है बेरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ सॉइल.
Bearing capacity of soil, it is the ability of soil to withstand all the loads coming on it and the pressure on it and on it.
क्लियर नहीं हुआ भैया. अच्छा, कॉम्पेक्शन क्या होता है? कॉम्पेक्शन ऑफ सॉइल.
Compaction is it is the removing of the entrapped air through by using the vibrators and removing all the voids and making it a good one, making the concrete good.
What is the meaning of consolidation of soil?
Consolidation of soil. Consolidation, it is the removing of water from the surface.
Water from the surface. And compaction?
From the soil.
And compaction?
Compaction, it is the removing of entrapped air.
अच्छा, एयर होगी तो कॉम्पेक्शन होगा और वाटर निकलेगा तो कंसोलिडेशन. इट इज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू टाइम.
सर व्हाट?
क्या इसका कोई रिलेशन टाइम से है?
टाइम, आई थिंक सर यस.
कैसे?
सर if in case of compaction, if if we do not remove the air from it, then the voids, there will be voids which can make the soil or surface of less strength if we are not doing proper vibrating. So it can reduce the strength.
Okay. My next question is related to engineering material or civil engineering material.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the hardness of any material?
Hardness, it is resistant to abrasion and it is resistance. Hardness we can call it. It is resistance to abrasion, scratching, and maybe cutting. It is resistant to.
Okay. Then, Shailja madam, it is over from my side.
Rathore sir, could you please give your suggestions?
Yes, sir.
Your confidence level is good. Right?
Yes.
The way of answering is also good. If you are sitting for say virtual interviews, you'll have to have a better background and the proper management of your light. Lot of light coming on your face, actually, right?
Yes, sir.
So all those basic things you'll have to take care, and even
Yes, sir.
tying of tie and all need to be seen.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Next time I will.
But otherwise, yes, your confidence level is good, and you have been able to tackle most of the answers. So that is a good thing, and there should be a little more clarity. I personally feel since you will be sitting for campus placement and not government jobs, right? Personally. So your preference has to be to private.
Yes, sir.